I'm working on this hinge screw that the Phillips tip broke off inside of it. And I think it's a long 2-inch screw that I was using to suck the jam over. And sometimes that'll happen, but it broke off actually flush. I've been drilling on it a little bit to try and use an easy out to get it out, but I cannot get this thing out. So I'm going to keep banging on it and see if I can't extract it. Worst case scenario, I might have to get a small hole saw and cut around that screw, you know, to release it and then take it out that way. We'll see. Shatter it some more here. Screw the head off. Drill the head off. It's doing something. Maybe I'll try the easy out now. First you drill this side, then you back it out with the other side. Oh, it's turning. Let's turn. Turn some more. Huh. Wow. That's interesting. Spend all day doing this. It's turning. I'm actually turning it. Wow. I think I got it. I hope that's still on video. Yeah. Oh my goodness. That was a pain. That is why you don't use an impact drill unless you have to, because it'll shatter your bit tip. That bit tip, that high carbon bit tip is still lodged in there. Almost impossible to get it out, but we got it.